Hey, hello everyone, good to see you on this video. And in this video I'm going to unbox this box. Yeah, this is the new PSU for my PC to run the graphics card and everything. Yeah, that's all. I'm just loading. Fine. uh, how to get inside. And bad thing is I don't have a link for this one, so if you want to purchase this one, go and check out the local store. That is the best option that you can do, because I purchased this one from local store. At the time of purchase, I'm not aware of this one, so some suggestions that go for offline stores. That's why. Okay, let it be. That is not a big issue. Anything else? That's why there is no address bar or any online delivery. Fine. Oh, nice question. Here you can see what are all the ports and what are all the things that we can do with this one. Not needed because I already know. Okay, it smells cute, good. What is this? Oh, it is also coming with a power cable along with some cable ties. That is good because I'm not going to manage my cable. So this is the one power supply unit. Yes, cute, nice. But it smells bad, really bad. I don't like the smell. Here it is once. Okay, there it is. Also comes with a fan for cooling purpose. Okay, fine, whatever it is, keep this aside. Anyway, if you want to purchase this one, sorry, I don't have any links, but check out my following videos for the performance of this PSU, whether it is working or not. And it's me for Michael signing off. Meet you guys in my next video. Peace.